Hello students and welcome to today's class. Last class ଆମେ discuss କରୁଥିଲେ about the different theories of sex determination. ଆମେ ଦେଖିଥିଲେ about the chromosomal theory of sex determination. ଆଜି ଆମେ discuss କରମା sex determination theory in two different organisms. ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା human beings ଆଉ ଆରଟା ହେଲା honey bee. Now ଏଇ ଦୁଇଟା କେସ୍ ଆମେ ନେବାର main reason ଟା ହେଲା କି exam point of view ରୁ important ତ the sex determination in honeybee, it is very important. Short notes से बहुत थोड़ा सी शेयर previous exam मान को and chances are there कि in future exams भी सेटा फेर repeat ही करे. And human beings because our inheritance pattern study करवार लगी, our genetic study करवार लगी, sex determination भी ଗୋଟେ बहुत important role play करसे, ठीक है? So let us start. So we have already discussed the chromosomal theory, and according to the chromosomal theory, we know there are two kinds of chromosome. One is called as autosome, the other is called as allosome. And these chromosomes are responsible for governing different characters. The autosomes generally control the physical, physiological, anatomical type of factors, whereas the allosomes, also known as the sex chromosomes, they determine the sex of the individual. Human beings ଆମେ ଜାଣିଛୁ ଦୁଇଟା ଟାଇପର sex chromosome ଥିସନ୍, ଗୋଟେ X chromosome ଥିସି, ଗୋଟେ Y chromosome ଥିସି. ଆମେ refer करछुं X chromosome to be of femaleness, Y chromosome for the maleness, right? Okay. So in humans, the chromosomal sex determination is through X and Y chromosome. Okay. X chromosome represents femaleness and Y chromosome represents maleness. This statement का कहवार main reason है why we are saying this is कि X chromosome has certain you can say genes which is responsible for the expression of female secondary sexual characters. Okay. Similarly, Y chromosome has certain genes which are responsible for the maleness, male characters. So that is the reason we say कि X chromosome represents femaleness and Y chromosome represents maleness. So X chromosome ta femaleness के represent करूचे, Y chromosome ta maleness के represent करूचे, right? Male produce two different gametes. तो human beings male दुईटा अलग अलग gamete produce करसन, गुटे X chromosome carrying gamete or sperm, और गुटे Y chromosome carrying gamete or sperm. तो एति लगी human males मान को heterogametic भी कहा है. तो human males are also called as heterogametic. They are known as heterogametic, right? But in case of females, you'll find there are two X chromosomes. Female दुईटा X chromosome थीसी, but both of them are same. तो गुटे type रो कोई परमो. The female only have one type of gamete, that is X chromosome, but two of them are produced. दुईटा produce थीसी. Now जेतले दुईटा X chromosome थीसी female body रे, if you see if there are two X chromosomes, suppose I'm drawing it out here. Here, this is one X chromosome and the other X chromosome here. So the other X chromosome का नाम है condense here like this. It'll condense up like this. Okay. Now this condensed X chromosome is called as a bar body. ये point है कि मने रखी दो bar body. Okay. So in case of females, human beings, you'll find कि there are two X chromosomes, and in the presence of two X chromosomes, one of the chromosome will condense to form a bar body. So bar body is also a determining factor for identifying male or female individual. So যদি bar body present আছে, you can say कि individual is female because दुईटा X हेले जिक्री bar body formation हवा. Similarly, যদি bar body नहीं हो, then that individual can be termed as male individual. So that I'm male only कही पारमा. So it have a determining factor थीसी the presence of bar body. Okay. Now you'll find that the fusion of these gametes ensure equal number of male and female offsprings. ठीक है, तो इधर बुझा लगा मैं diagram टा देखी दूँ. So in this diagram you can see father or the male individual से दुईटा chromosome produce करूचे, गुटे X और गुटे Y chromosome having sperm produce करूचे. Female दुईटा produce करसी but both of them are same. गुटे X आरोटा भी X ovum produce कला. Now जदि X chromosome carrying sperm, X chromosome carrying ovum संगे fertilize कला, it will be X and X chromosome which represents female. Similar is the case here, you know, भी सही case टा. But जदि Y chromosome carrying sperm टा X chromosome carrying ovum संगे fuse कला, fertilize कला, that will become X and Y. जरा X Y ही जीवा. That means the individual is a male child. So that a male child है. Okay. So दुईटा संग combination हमार chances रोचे X Y X Y. This X forms female. This X from sperm and this X from ovum forms another female. This Y from the sperm and this X from the ovum forms male. this Y from the sperm, and this X from the ovum will again form a male individual. So in that you will find 50% chances are there that the individual will be female, or 50% chances that the individual will be male. So in this you will find in human beings the sex determination is such a way that there is always equal chance of having a male or a female child. Okay, so it has sex determination in case of human beings. So similarly out we'll see another sex determination. This is little different sex determination in honeybees, mohumachi. Mohumachi mankar thira X or Y chromosome presence thisi, but it is not basically because of allosomes. Imankar thira sex determination is on the basis of number of chromosomes, or you can say on the basis of ploidy. Ploidy mane hala kiteta set chromosome ochan. Generally amar pakhe duita type of organism thisan, kitera haploid organisms and kitera diploid organisms. Honeybee re dekha desi is a very unique case. Females are diploid. Female mane diploid are mane tankor 2n number of chromosome thisi. ठीक अछि, but males are haploid. Male mane haploid thiसन तांकर मात्र n number of chromosome थिसी. तो honeybee रे इटा गोटे बहुत यूनिक कैरेक्टर है कि XY क्रोमोसोम हिसाब डिटरमिनेशन नाही हुए, तांकर डिटरमिनेशन हेसी केते सेट ऑफ क्रोमोसोम अछि, डिप्लॉयड अछि कि हैप्लॉयड अछि. डिप्लॉयड हले फीमेल हबा, हैप्लॉयड हले मेल हबा. ठीक अछि. Infertile females are called workers. So you know majority of them you will find कि females माने infertile थिसन, sterile थिसन. In other words कि they cannot reproduce, सना reproduce नहीं करि पारा. That is because of a chemical substance secreted by the queen. Queen गुटे chemical substance release करसी जाके कहसी pheromone. ठीक अछि. तो pheromone is secreted by the queen. आउ ई जन pheromone chemical substance ता अछि सेथिल लागि other female माने infertile ही जैसे माने they cannot reproduce. तो जदि गुटे colony of honey bee के देखो सनो खाली गुटे नो individual reproduce करि पारबा female भितरे, that is the queen. Okay, so the queen is fertile, it can reproduce. Okay, so this is a very unique mechanism. In case of honey bee you will find कि तांकर बाकी सब female workers हिसाब काम करसन. Males माने haploid आन सिमान को कहसी drones. The males are haploid and are known as drones. इमानकर काम हला से माने reproduction रे help करबे. They will produce the sperm, they will release the sperm into the queen रो body release करबे during nuptial flight. आउ से माने fertilization carry out करिकरी next generation produce करबारे help करसन. ठीक अछि. Next you will find that the males release the sperm into the seminal receptacle. It actually a short part of female body, a seminal receptacle, where the sperms are deposited by the male during the nuptial flight. Nuptial flight will occur. I know what am I use called a nuptial flight. The males release the sperm into the female seminal receptacle of the queen during the nuptial flight. Nuptial flight माने हला ई जते बेले इमन को रिप्रोडक्शन फेज ता ऐसे तो माने all the honeybees they fly away together. सना का सा उड़ी बसो. तो जन उड़सन due to reproductive necessities, due to reproductive mechanisms. तो से उड़ला भितरे से माने copulate करसन and they release the sperms into the female body. तो से जन flight हो से जन उड़सन से ताई को ऐसे nuptial flight. मन रखो nuptial flight is different from normal flight. Normal flight माने हला जते बेले साने मोहु खुजी जाछन and they are in the search of honey. But nuptial flight basically for reproduction only. Reproduction लगी एका से flight ता हेसी तांको. ठीक अछि. अपरे जते बेले मेल जहां भी स्पर्म होचे रिलीज कर दो सेमिनल वेस्का रिसेप्टिकल ऑफ द क्वीन, तो क्वीन ओवम रिलीज करसी. नाउ दोज ओवम और एग which become fertilized, जेन एग माने fertilize ही जिवे से माने डेवलप करबे इनटू फीमेल. The eggs which fertilize develop into female. But जेन एग माने fertilize नहीं ही पारबे, unfertilized रही जिवे, they develop into male. तो एटा उटे मेकानिज्म है तांकर कि जदी एग ता fertilize हला फीमेल हबा, डिप्लॉयड हबा, जदी एक fertilize नहीं हला से haploid ही जिबा मेल हबा. ठीक अछि. तो here you can see on your screen एटा honey bee रो colony है. तो you know queen XX chromosome carrying थिसी drone only X. एटा 2n एटा n. ठीक अछि. You can see here this is 2n and this is n, right? So 2n number of chromosome carrying queen, when she produce gametes, she will produce 2 gametes which will be having n and n number of chromosome, right? But male खाली गुटे न कदवा n तार अलगा किसी और नहीं ना. तो in this case you will find कि जन queen ovum टा release कला, जदी से ovum टा fertilize करूचे, as in this case, you know ovum और sperm fertilize करिगला, तेरा XX ही जावा, that will develop into female. पर जदी से unfertilized ही के रहिगला, egg टा unfertilized ही के रहिगला, that will develop into male which is a drone. Okay, ना जेन फीमेल थिबे सेतिर फिर दुईटा टाइप हे जिवे जदी सता के रॉयल जेली दिया गला इफ इट इज गिवन रॉयल जेली नॉर्मली काना से कॉलोनी रे से माने ऑटोमेटिकली ता गोटे मेकानिज्म अछि कि दे डिसाइड क्वीन की हवा दैट इज अ नेचुरल मेकानिज्म रैंडम है इट डज नॉट हैव एनी स्पेसिफिकेशन किछ ना क्राइटेरिया दरकार नेनो कि ताके क्वीन हवा बट यस इन अ कॉलोनी म्यूचुअली दे डेजिग्नेट वन इंडिविजुअल टू बी क्वीन तो जे क्वीन हवा ताके रॉयल जेली फीड कराय से रॉयल जेली एक्चुअली गोटे कंडेंस्ड फॉर्म ऑफ हनी है आ सेटा पूरा गोल्डन कलर रो दिसी सेतिले ताके रॉयल जेली कहउछ तो ये रॉयल जेली टा जदी से फीमेल के फीड करा गला से डेवलप करि जबा इनटू क्वीन व्हिच इज फर्टाइल क्वीन वंस सी डेवलप्स सी स्टार्ट रिलीजिंग दिस फेरोमोन्स से क्वीन थोरे डेवलप करि गला से फेरोमोन रिलीज करबा अब बाकी सब इंडिविजुअल जहा के रॉयल जेली नहीं मिली और अंडर द इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ फेरोमोन से माने ही जिवे स्टेराइल और दे विल बी कॉल्ड एज वर्कर्स तो एक्चुअली दीज आर द हनी बी तमे जन महुमाछी ने देखसो जिन माने महू कलेक्ट करसो सेटा ई माने these sterile honeybees जाके workers को ऐसी queen it will remain in the honey hive से honey hive रहकर रहबा और से खाली reproduction होगा so this is how sex determination takes place in case of honeybee haploid and diploid mechanism okay so this is about the different theories of sex determination in the next class we will move on to the sex linked inheritance okay thank you everyone